7 super fruits that diabetics must know. Did you know that some fruits can secretly mess with your blood sugar while others can actually help keep it steady? It's not as simple as fruit is healthy. Some can spike your glucose levels in ways you wouldn't expect. That's why today we're breaking down 7 superfruits that every diabetic needs to know about. These aren't just delicious, they're packed with the right nutrients to help control blood sugar, boost your health, and still satisfy your sweet tooth, without the guilt. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know exactly which fruits to enjoy and which ones to watch out for. Let's get started. 1. Plums. Plums are an underrated powerhouse when it comes to managing diabetes. They're packed with fiber, which slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream, helping to prevent those sudden spikes that can be dangerous for blood sugar control. But that's not all. Plums also contain prebiotics, which fuel the good bacteria in your gut. And here's why that matters. A healthy gut plays a major role in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation, both of which are critical for long-term diabetes management. When your gut is in good shape, your body processes glucose more efficiently, making it easier to keep your levels stable. The best part? Plums are naturally sweet but lower in sugar compared to many other fruits, making them a great option when you're craving something fruity. But how can you enjoy them without overdoing it? One easy way is to chop them up and mix them into a bowl of oatmeal with a spoonful of almond butter for a fiber-rich, blood sugar-friendly breakfast. If you love refreshing drinks, try blending plums with lime juice, a bit of mint, and ice for a naturally sweet, hydrating beverage. And if you're a fan of savory dishes, you can roast them alongside salmon or chicken to create a delicious glaze that adds natural sweetness without the need for sugary sauces. Just remember, portion control is key. While plums are a great choice, eating too many at once can still add up in sugar content. Stick to a small serving. 1 or 2 plums at a time is a good guideline. 2. Kiwi. Kiwi is a true superfruit for diabetes management thanks to its low glycemic index and high fiber content. Unlike fruits that cause rapid blood sugar spikes, kiwi releases sugar gradually, helping to keep glucose levels steady. But there's more. This vibrant green fruit is packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both of which are major concerns for people with diabetes. Another bonus? Kiwi is an excellent source of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and potassium, which supports heart health by regulating blood pressure. These benefits make kiwi not only a tasty addition to your diet, but also a powerful ally in managing diabetes. So how can you enjoy kiwi in a way that maximizes its health benefits? One simple option is to slice it up and mix it into a bowl of Greek yogurt for a refreshing, protein-packed snack that keeps you full and satisfied. If you're feeling creative, try making a tangy kiwi salsa by combining diced kiwi with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and a splash of lime juice, perfect for pairing with grilled fish or chicken. And for a fun summer treat, blend kiwi with a bit of unsweetened coconut water and freeze it into popsicles for a hydrating, sugar-free dessert. Since kiwi is naturally high in fiber, it's best to eat it whole, including the seeds, to get all the digestive benefits. Plus, the skin is also edible and loaded with extra fiber. So, if you don't mind the texture, consider giving it a try. Just 1 kiwi a day can add a delicious and nutrient-rich boost to your diabetes-friendly meal plan. 3. Peaches. Peaches aren't just a delicious summer treat, they're a powerhouse fruit for managing diabetes. With their naturally sweet flavor and low glycemic index, peaches satisfy sugar cravings without causing blood sugar spikes. But what really makes peaches stand out is their impressive antioxidant content, particularly phenolic compounds that help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce oxidative stress. This is crucial for people with diabetes, as better insulin function means more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Plus, peaches are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and promotes healthy skin, both of which can be impacted by high blood sugar levels over time. And let's not forget about their fiber content. The fiber in peaches slows down sugar absorption, further helping to prevent sudden glucose spikes after meals. So, how can you enjoy peaches in the healthiest way possible? Eating them fresh is always the best option, whether on their own or paired with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese to create a balanced snack. If you love smoothies, try blending fresh or frozen peach slices with unsweetened almond milk, a hint of ginger, and a few chia seeds for a deliciously creamy, diabetes-friendly drink that also supports digestion. Another great way to enjoy peaches is by adding slices to infused water with mint and a splash of lemon, making a refreshing and hydrating drink without added sugars. And for those who love a little warmth, grilling peaches brings out their natural sweetness. Just sprinkle a dash of cinnamon for an extra blood sugar-friendly touch. However, be mindful of dried peaches, as they often contain concentrated sugars that can cause rapid glucose spikes. Whenever possible, opt for fresh or frozen peaches to get all the health benefits without unwanted sugar. Peaches prove that eating for diabetes doesn't mean giving up sweetness. It's all about choosing the right foods in their most natural form. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on powerful health tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. 4. Grapes. Grapes may be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting diabetes management. These juicy little fruits are loaded with resveratrol, a potent antioxidant known for its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity and combat oxidative stress, both of which are critical for people with diabetes. Resveratrol has even been linked to improved blood vessel function and reduced inflammation, which can help protect against complications like heart disease, a common concern for diabetics. Plus, grapes contain a good amount of fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to prevent those sudden spikes and crashes that can make blood sugar levels difficult to control. While grapes do contain more natural sugars than some other fruits, they can still be part of a healthy diabetic diet when eaten in moderation. The key is portion control and pairing them with other foods that help stabilize blood sugar. One of the simplest ways to enjoy grapes is fresh, eaten straight from the bunch as a naturally sweet and refreshing snack. If you're looking for a fun twist, try freezing grapes for a cold, bite-sized treat that feels like nature's version of candy, without the added sugars. They also make a fantastic addition to salads, adding a burst of sweetness that balances well with leafy greens, nuts, and a light vinaigrette. Another great option is blending grapes into a smoothie with protein-rich Greek yogurt or unsweetened almond milk, which helps slow sugar absorption and provides a more balanced energy release. And for a satisfying snack, pair grapes with a handful of nuts or a slice of cheese. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats helps regulate blood sugar while keeping you full longer. However, one thing to watch out for is grape juice. Unlike whole grapes, grape juice lacks fiber and is often loaded with added sugars, which can lead to rapid blood sugar spikes. Even 100% grape juice can cause fluctuations because it delivers a concentrated dose of sugar without the fiber to slow it down. That's why eating whole grapes rather than drinking their juice is always the better choice for people managing diabetes. By incorporating grapes into your diet in a mindful way, you can enjoy their natural sweetness while still keeping blood sugar levels in check. 5. Apples. Apples are one of nature's most perfect snacks, but did you know they're also a fantastic choice for people with diabetes? These crisp, juicy fruits are loaded with soluble fiber, especially pectin, which plays a key role in slowing down sugar absorption in the bloodstream. This helps keep blood sugar levels stable, preventing those sudden spikes and crashes that can make managing diabetes more challenging. Plus, apples have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar gradually into your system, giving you steady energy without overwhelming your body with too much glucose at once. But that's not all. Apples are also great for heart health, which is especially important for diabetics who face a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. The fiber in apples helps lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, while also supporting healthy blood pressure. Meanwhile, antioxidants like quercetin work to fight inflammation and protect your body's cells from damage, reducing the risk of complications related to diabetes. One of the best things about apples is how versatile they are. You can enjoy them in so many ways. Grab one as an easy on-the-go snack, slice them up and pair them with peanut butter for a delicious mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Or chop them into a salad for a refreshing crunch. If you're craving something warm and comforting, try baking apple slices with a sprinkle of cinnamon. This brings out their natural sweetness without the need for added sugar. But here's an important tip. Always opt for whole apples instead of apple juice. Juice may seem like a convenient option, but it lacks fiber and can cause rapid blood sugar spikes, making it a less ideal choice for diabetics. If you want to further balance your blood sugar, pair your apple with a source of protein or healthy fats, like a handful of nuts or a slice of cheese. This slows digestion and ensures your body processes the fruit's natural sugars more gradually. With their crisp texture, natural sweetness, and impressive health benefits, apples are a must-have in any diabetes-friendly diet. 6. Pears. Pears are not only sweet and refreshing, but they are also an incredible fruit for people managing diabetes. What makes them so special? It all comes down to their high fiber content. Pears are loaded with soluble fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. This slow and steady release of glucose keeps energy levels stable throughout the day, making pears an excellent choice for diabetics who want to maintain balanced blood sugar. But the benefits don't stop there. Pears are also packed with powerful antioxidants, like vitamin C, which supports immune health, fights inflammation, and promotes glowing skin. Additionally, pears contain potassium, a crucial mineral for regulating blood pressure. Since diabetics are at a higher risk for heart disease, eating potassium-rich foods like pears can help maintain healthy circulation and reduce strain on the heart. Another great thing about pears is their naturally sweet taste, which can satisfy sugar cravings without disrupting blood sugar control. Instead of reaching for processed sweets, a juicy pear can give you the same satisfaction in a much healthier way. Plus, their fiber-rich content keeps you feeling full longer, which can help prevent overeating and unnecessary snacking. There are plenty of delicious ways to enjoy pears. You can eat them fresh as a quick snack, slice them into salads for a touch of natural sweetness, or mix them into yogurt or oatmeal for a fiber-packed breakfast. If you want something warm and comforting, try baking pears with a sprinkle of cinnamon. This enhances their natural sweetness without any added sugars. For a well-balanced snack, pair pear slices with protein-rich foods like walnuts, almonds, or cheese. This combination slows digestion even further, helping to keep blood sugar stable for longer. When shopping for pears, choose firm ones and let them ripen at home for the best flavor and nutritional value. Thanks to their impressive fiber content, natural sweetness, and heart-healthy benefits, pears are a must-have in a diabetes-friendly diet. 7. Cherries. Cherries aren't just a delicious summertime snack, they're a game-changer for people managing diabetes. These vibrant little fruits are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. By enhancing the way your body uses insulin, cherries can help prevent dangerous spikes and crashes, making them a smart choice for stable glucose control. But that's not all. Cherries are also rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that fight oxidative stress, reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications like nerve damage, heart disease, and even kidney issues. Plus, they have a naturally low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar into the bloodstream at a slow and steady pace, helping to prevent sudden blood sugar spikes. Some studies even suggest that consuming cherries regularly may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, thanks to their ability to regulate metabolism and reduce chronic inflammation. The best part? Cherries are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. In the summer, enjoy them fresh as a juicy snack, or freeze them for a refreshing, naturally sweet treat. If you love a little indulgence, try pairing cherries with dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, for a diabetes-friendly dessert that satisfies your sweet tooth without sending your blood sugar soaring. You can also add chopped cherries to whole-grain pancakes or oatmeal for a naturally sweet and fiber-rich breakfast. For a creative twist, toss them into a quinoa salad or use them in savory dishes like roasted chicken with a cherry glaze. The key to maximizing their benefits is choosing darker varieties like Bing cherries, which contain higher levels of anthocyanins. Just be sure to steer clear of canned cherries packed in syrup. Those are loaded with added sugars that can quickly undo all the health benefits. Instead, opt for fresh or frozen cherries with no added sugars to keep your blood sugar in check. With their powerful antioxidants, natural sweetness, and blood sugar-friendly properties, cherries are a must-have superfruit for anyone looking to manage diabetes effectively, while still enjoying delicious, wholesome food. Now that you know about these 7 incredible fruits, you have the power to make smarter choices for your health. Each of these fruits is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients to help stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support overall well-being. But remember, portion control is key. Even the healthiest fruits can raise blood sugar if eaten in excess. So enjoy them in moderation and pair them with protein or healthy fats for the best results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more science-backed tips on managing diabetes naturally. And if you're wondering what other foods can help lower blood sugar and improve your health, don't miss the next video we've linked here. Click on it now, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.